Let's make delicious red velvet cake at home. Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope everybody is doing wonderfully well. In today's video, I share with you this simple but yet perfect red velvet cake. Trust me, you're going to love this recipe. So all you have to do is to trust the process. If you're new to my channel, hello, this is Cooking with Ifya. Do subscribe to my channel and be part of this amazing family. Now, without wasting much of your time, let's get started. Now, to begin with this cake, I'll be using 200 grams of this margarine. So the margarine is 250 grams, but I'll be using just 200 grams of it. Alright, so we're going to set this aside, and once that is done, I'm going to use my hand whisk to cream it a little bit for the margarine to become very soft and also very easy to work with. You can also use butter instead of the margarine. Okay, all right, so now we're going to whisk until we achieve the perfect consistency that we're looking for. So moving forward, we're going to add in our granulated sugar, which is half cup of sugar. Kindly use icing sugar to make your cake if that is what you have. Okay, now let's whisk it for a while until the sugar dissolves beautifully. Alright, so now that the sugar has also dissolved beautifully, let's crack in 2 eggs. Kindly use 3 or 4 eggs for this recipe and you are good to go, but I'm just going to be using 2 and it was just perfect. Okay, now let's mix it very well until it's nice and well combined. While that is going on, I want to also use this opportunity to thank all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for always liking my videos, sharing, and also commenting on my videos, fam. I am very grateful. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so now after getting to the right consistency that I want, all that is left is for me to go in with my all-purpose flour, and I'm going to sift it very well to make sure I don't have any unwanted particles in my flour. Okay, all right, so I'm going to be using 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Okay, so kindly note it. After sifting the flour, it is nice and perfect. So let's also go in with some baking powder and also nutmeg as well. Don't forget to go in with a little bit of salt to taste. Always make sure to adjust everything to your taste. Okay, now let's sift everything in and we will proceed by also going in with a little bit of vanilla essence. Kindly use pineapple, banana, or any other flavor of your choice and you are good to go. Now let's stir everything together very nicely until all is nice and well incorporated. If you are still with me at this point and you haven't still subscribed to the channel yet, baby, what are you waiting for? Kindly do subscribe to my channel and also do turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I upload amazing videos like this, you will be among the first person to be notified. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so since we are making red velvet cake, I'm going to be going in with some food color, which is red food color. Initially, the color wasn't giving what it's supposed to give. Trust me, it's giving pinky vibes. I was like, did I use the wrong color? But trust me, the end results really amazed me because I was giving up, and giving up is not in my dictionary. So as you shouldn't give up in anything that you do. Okay, that was just by the way. Now let's stir everything together very nicely. I also added in some evaporated milk. Don't worry, I'm going to be listing everything I use in the description box for you to check it out. Alright, so this is the perfect consistency that I'll be going for. Now all that is left right now is to pour this in a baking pan and begin to bake our cake, and we are good to go. But before we bake our cake, let's also drizzle a little bit of cooking oil into our baking pan, and we're going to brush it through the pan very well. We want every part of this pan to be well coated with oil, okay? And once that is done, we will pour in our cake batter. And also at this point, do make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you haven't done that yet, and also do subscribe to my channel because it is absolutely free. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so after pouring everything into the cake pan, I will tap it on my working surface just the way you see it on your screens right now to reduce some air in it. And we're going to bake this cake under 120 degrees Celsius for about 20 to 30 minutes, and voila, this is the end result. The cake really turned out really good, trust me. After adding the color, and it wasn't giving what it's supposed to give. As I said earlier, I was giving up, but trust me, the end results and the taste is what matters. I'm not a fan of baking. If you know my channel very well, I don't usually bake. So if I find myself baking, that means there is something special I want to make, trust me. As you can see, the cake turned out really good. I love everything about this cake. All that is left is to allow it to cool down a little bit and enjoy. Trust me, all my family members really enjoyed this cake and they're asking for more. I hope you're going to give this recipe a try as well, and your family is also going to ask for more as well. Trust me, it was super good. Just look at how very soft and perfect it turned out. Do trust the process and you're going to love it. Thank you so much for watching this video up to this point. And if you enjoyed to this point, that means you are always a proud foodie member. Kindly do subscribe to my channel and be part of this amazing family. Thank you once again for watching this video up to this point, and see you in my next upload. Bye.